everyone, Denise here from So Limitless. I just wanted to give a quick video just to show you what it is that I'm currently working on, what's actually on my sewing table that I'm working on. So I'm going to flip the camera around in a minute and I will give you a look at what I'm attempting to do. Here we go. So here we have this pair of blue pants. They are silk and they're pretty dated actually. Well, I shouldn't say pretty dated, they're kind of dated, and they fit but not the way I would want them to. So I'm going to attempt to refashion, I guess is the right word, resize and refashion these, so that hopefully I can get them into make them into something that I would really wear more often than once or twice. The next project I'll be working on after the pants is this pattern here, Quick Sew 3691. I believe it's still in print. I've had this for a while, but I've never made it. I've gotten the pattern pieces cut out, and I want to use this silky charmeuse, I think it's what it's called. It's a Camel Print, which is not something that I would normally use, but I really like this print, so I want to make a top from this pattern, from this material, and then maybe have some pants that would coordinate with it, either a dark brown possibly, or black or something like that. I'll see. But that's in the works since it's going to be fall. The weather will be cooling off, so I want to get myself sort of geared up to wear fall clothes. And here are a few other patterns I want to use. I bought this, I believe, earlier this year, and I haven't had a chance to make it yet, but I really want to make this Nikki blazer by Style Sew Me. I've got the material. It's actually, the pattern is for woven, but this is sort of a stable knit material. It's really pretty. It's got this weave in it, so I want to use that for this pattern. And then if you follow my my blog, which of course you should, you would know that I just recently made this, and I want to make another pair of these out of some heavier cotton twill, which I think would also be really nice. These are a great fitting pant, and I really like that. And this is one of my favorites, the Sasha trousers by Closet Case Patterns. I've made these before. I used a Ponte knit for the Sasha pants before, and this is also for a woven material. So that would be a non-stretchy material, but with the Ponte knit, they've worked out great, and they are really very comfortable. So I'm going to see for all of these what I have in my stash that I can use, because I've got a whole lot of fabric, and I really don't need to be buying anymore. So we'll see how everything goes. So now you see some of the things I'm planning for fall sewing, transitional sewing, and I hope the goal is to get some of these things done, if not all of them. I really want all of them done because these are things that I could really use in my wardrobe. That is it for now for this video, and I will see you all in the next video. If you like this video, please click like. And if you would like to subscribe, please do so. I try to give hints and tips and inspiration and let you know what it is that I'm sewing and what the process is that I'm using, etc. So please subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.